7 യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. മൈ നെയിം ഈസ് ജസീന. ഇതുവരെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങളുടെ പുതിയ പുതിയ വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി ബെൽ ബട്ടണും കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഇനി ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താൻ പോകുന്നത് നമുക്ക് എത്ര കഴിച്ചാലും മടുക്കാത്തൊരു സ്വീറ്റാണ് ചോക്ലേറ്റ്. ആ ചോക്ലേറ്റിൻ്റെ പലതരം ഫ്ലേവറിനെ പരിചയപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ഫാക്ടറിയെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താൻ പോകുന്നത്.
It's our chocolate factory. Maybe you are aware of cocoa, right? This is the cocoa fruit. Here you are getting the organic products like organic cocoa powder, organic cocoa butter, and this is the chocolate nibs known as superfood. So initially I will tell you how we are making chocolate. From the first step, from the garden to chocolates. So here all the houses and so many cocoa plantations you are seeing. Not only cocoa plantations, tea plantations, cardamom plantations. This sand is so fertile, so very good for this kind of plantations. So this is the cocoa fruit. Ye golne ke baad you can see seeds inside. Like this 350 fruits, we are getting approximately 250 kilo of raw seeds. What we are doing, this we are separating and doing fermentation first, 250 kilo at once. So after fermentation, we dry under sunlight 3 days. So 1 week fermentation, 3 days drying. It's total 10 days. After the 10th day, all together in a machine, this 250 kilo, we are roasting by hot air. After roasting, we are removing the outer shell. After removing the outer shell, we are able to get chocolate nibs. This is also known as superfood. So why we are removing the toxic content? Because it is having outer shell, because it is having toxic content. And only from 250 kilo, only we are getting 80 kilo this raw. This what we are doing. In an expeller, we are extracting and separating the oil content. So we are getting oil, cocoa oil called cocoa butter, as well as the cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is the byproduct. So normal manufacturers, what they are doing, this 250 kilo at once they are drying and crushing. So they cannot able to remove the outer shell. There will be toxic content. So neutralizing the toxic content, they are using alkalizing agents for bleaching purposes like potassium permanganate and sodium carbonate. That's why that kind of cocoa powder is called alkalized cocoa powder or Dutch processed cocoa powder. Hence our cocoa powder is called organic natural cocoa powder or Belgium processed cocoa powder. Maybe you are aware of Belgium chocolate products. It's world famous and quality wise number 1 because they are adopting the same organic natural processing. That's why organic products are little bit costly but very healthy. So making chocolates, normal milk chocolates, 100 kilo chocolates making, 22 kilo cocoa butter we are using, around 20 kilo cocoa powder, 38% milk solids and around more than 20% sugar we are using. Plus different filling of nuts, dry fruits and fruit pulp. The top of the machine we are filling and grinding all these things like cocoa powder, cocoa butter, milk and sugar. Together we are filling and grinding 8 hours. Then hot chocolate paste will come downside. And there you can see what they are doing. They are first creating a chocolate shell. Inside the shell other guy he is filling different type of nuts, dry fruits and fruit pulp. Again refilling and keeping in the deep freezer we are getting chocolates. That's how we are making milk chocolates. Milk chocolates are the blend of Belgium chocolates and Swiss chocolates. Swiss chocolates are famous for its dairy products. So we have 42% cocoa products and as well as 38% dairy products. So we can say the blend of each. That's the milk chocolates. And white chocolate is made of only. This is the cocoa butter, organic natural cocoa butter. Chocolate is getting silky smooth, soft taste because of this. And it is work as a thickening agent. Okay, normal manufacturers and in market you are getting the chocolates, they are not using cocoa butter. Because you can see from 350 fruits only we are getting 40 kilos of cocoa butter and 40 kilos of cocoa powder. It's a lengthy processing and costly things. So they are mostly the manufacturers, they are using hydrogenated vegetable fat, and even some crooked guys, even they are using animal fat in it. That's why you smell the chocolates, you will get a foul smell because of the kind of things they are using. So, and regarding this cocoa powder is very healthy and for making hot chocolates. In Punjab, people are drinking too much milk ना, दूध पीने का आदत है आप लोगों को. दूध में थोड़ा ये मिला के पीना हेल्थ के लिए बहुत बढ़िया है. 1 लीटर दूध बॉईल करके चीनी डालने का, उसमें बाद में स्टव ऑफ करना, then add cocoa powder. So 1 liter milk, you boil it well, add sugar and off the stove and add around 2 spoons of cocoa powder, you will get beautiful hot chocolate. That's how making hot chocolate, and as well as it will boost the metabolism. Instead of green tea, you can use this. This is 10 times more antioxidant green tea. So how it's work out? It will help you to reduce the weight, boost the metabolism, and control the LDL and diabetic patients very good, as well as control the high blood pressure. So the 3 various purposes you can use this. And for the ladies, very helpful for glow the skin. See, I like using the chocolate mask. I don't know which type of cocoa powder you bought, but this I can guarantee to you. But our product I can guarantee you is pure organic. Taste a bit. %42 cocoa, 38% milk solids, more than 20% sugar, and the different kind of fruit pulps. This is the blueberry pulp inside. And our speciality, for the taste, we are not adding any kind of essence, only natural things. So that's a blueberry, strawberry. I will tell the things. If you want to taste anything, you can tell me meanwhile. So blueberry, strawberry, kiwi, guava, passion fruit, mango, orange, green apple, and pineapple. These are all different type of fruit pulps. And coming to this side, we are having different type of nuts. Like cashew nut. This is roasted cashew. Roasted almond. Pistachios, walnuts, apricots, honey and fig, butterscotch, crunchy crackle, and 2 chocolates are going to ready, that is hazelnut and fruit and nut. And this is the one which I told you, only milk and cocoa butter and little bit of sugar. This is the white chocolate. For the children it's very nice, getting protein and everything. And anybody want to taste dark chocolate, the 90% one, that's the best chocolate we have. खा के देखना कैसा है. So our dark chocolate is per kilo 3,000 rupees, and the nuts variants are 1 kilo 1,200, and fruit pulp is 1 kilo 1,000, and cocoa powder, that is organic natural cocoa powder, 1 kilo 2,000, and dark chocolate is organic natural. Why natural and organic? Because we are not adding any kind of sugar or milk solids. That's why we can say that is pure organic. And these are the jellies. This also we are making here without gelatin. This 1 kilo 600 rupees, and only 100% vegetarian based jellies. Not like in market you are getting beef gelatin one, pig gelatin one, not like that. This you can taste. If you feel good, you can buy it. And this you can keep around 10 months. And not required to keep in refrigerator. And our speciality, after you select the chocolate, one by one we are covering and giving you in aluminum foil paper. So it will last long time. Maybe you will aware of Cadbury chocolates. 135 gram, around 185 rupees for the silk one. Around 20, maximum 27 to 32% cocoa content is there. But our chocolate 42%, and 1 kilo with nuts only 1,200, and food pulp is only 1,000, because from the garden to the finished products we are only making. There is no mediators. That's why we can sell in this type of price. So this is dark chocolate is per kilo 3,000, White chocolate and nuts are 1 kilo 1,200, and our pulp chocolates are 1 kilo 1,000. And we are having courier facilities also. If you order something by online and Manna Chocolate Factory, so we will send you by courier. That's it regarding these things.
ഓക്കെ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും കണ്ടു എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായം മറക്കാതെ നിങ്ങൾ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. വീണ്ടും ഒരു കാര്യം, ഇതുവരെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങളുടെ പുതിയ പുതിയ വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി ബെൽ ബട്ടണും കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. അടുത്തൊരു ദിവസം അടുത്തൊരു വീഡിയോയുമായി കാണുന്നിടം വരെ എല്ലാവർക്കും ബൈ.